Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we uncover the latest and most innovative gadgets. Today, we've got something truly unique and highly portable to show you: the ProtoArc Folding Bluetooth Keyboard Mouse Combo. If you're constantly on the move and need a versatile keyboard and mouse solution, you're in for a treat. But before we dive into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our tech reviews. Let's get started. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the ProtoArc Folding Bluetooth Keyboard Mouse Combo. This little powerhouse brings you a full-size keyboard with 105 keys and a number pad, making it perfect for data entry and navigation tasks. Plus, it's packed with features to enhance your productivity. The ProtoArc Combo features a compact full-size keyboard with an optimized key layout for both Windows and macOS computers. With 12 convenient shortcuts, you'll breeze through your work. And yes, it even has a number pad, a rare find in portable keyboards. This means you can adapt to it quickly and work efficiently wherever you are. Now, here's where it gets really exciting. The ProtoArc XKM01 offers seamless connectivity for up to 3 devices. You can connect it to your laptop, tablet, and smartphone simultaneously using 2.4 GHz wireless technology and Bluetooth. Switching between devices is as simple as pressing a button. And the best part? It's compatible with various operating systems, including Windows, macOS, Chrome OS, iPad OS, Android, and more. It's a true multi-device powerhouse. Hate noisy keyboards and loud mouse clicks? Well, ProtoArc has you covered. This foldable Bluetooth keyboard boasts quiet scissor switches and low-profile keys, providing a near-silent typing experience. The mouse, too, is designed for silence, ensuring you can work peacefully in any environment. And don't forget the 3 adjustable DPI levels on the mouse: 1000, 1600, and 2400 for precise control. Say goodbye to constantly replacing batteries. Both the keyboard and mouse are equipped with rechargeable batteries, and you can recharge them using the included Type-C cable. This not only saves you money but is also eco-friendly. Plus, an auto-sleep feature conserves battery when the combo is not in use, giving you an incredible 150 days of keyboard standby time and 200 days of mouse standby time. But wait, there's more. ProtoArc has included some fantastic accessories with this combo. First, there's a collapsible stand holder that can hold devices ranging from 4 to 11 inches, like iPads, iPhones, and tablets. Additionally, there's a hard protective case that's shockproof, dustproof, and water-resistant. It's designed to protect your keyboard and mouse from drops, scratches, bumps, splashes, and dust. Perfect for on-the-go tech enthusiasts. In conclusion, the ProtoArc Folding Bluetooth Keyboard Mouse Combo is a game-changer for those who need a compact and versatile solution for their computing needs. Whether you're a frequent traveler or simply want a clutter-free workspace, this combo has you covered. It's the perfect blend of functionality, portability, and convenience. That's a wrap for today's review on Product Critique. If you're ready to upgrade your on-the-go computing setup, be sure to check out the ProtoArc Folding Bluetooth Keyboard Mouse Combo. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay connected with us by subscribing and hitting that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews. Until next time, tech enthusiasts, keep folding, typing, and clicking away.